portaging. This is like my 4th time. We're at Lake Opeongo. It's about 3 hours north, 4 hours north from Toronto. And the plan was we're supposed to go 15 kilometers to a spot, maybe like a 3-4 hour canoe ride and then portage. But right now, the wind is just terrible. The waves are getting big. I don't really know if we can make it. The wind is insane right now. I can hear it. So we might take a little water taxi to our spot and then portage from there, because I don't even know if this is possible right now. It's gonna be a rough one. 200, eh? Look at this beast. This is gonna save some time, eh? Is that how they do it, with the rope? Oh my goodness.
I know, I thought they were gonna haul it.
I think they'd have like a strap or something.
No.
Look at this thing. That's a cooler too? For a live well? Ooh.
I'm gonna ask this guy, so what's the damage if you get caught on here with a Coors Light?
Yeah, I know. Damn.
He was saying that we can go for some Rockies.
Yeah,
Brookies. He said by the ends, at the edges,
of this lake?
off the coast. What's the damage if you guys get caught on here with like a Coors Light?
Oh yeah? Nice. Ciao, boys. All right. Looks like moose territory. Really carrying this canoe. Oh, I have no idea where to go here.
I can tell you if there's a... I'll go behind.
This is work, Simon.
No, watch it, okay? Wait for the upload. Don't trip and fall here.
Okay, right here, son.
Okay, hold on. There's a landing coming up. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready? Right around side. Stop it. To your right. No, I have it.
Okay.
I have it.
Okay.
Oh, your shoulders.
Wasn't bad. Good. I wasn't bad.
It should be okay. Get your shoulders, get your balance. Good.
You good?
Move the way.
Make sure you, Mike, know that you got a trailer on, you know?
Yeah,
So
I gotta put it up a little bit. Not like that. Let's say right here. Yeah.
you want to fix it?
No. I won't be able to go long.
That's all right. I'll hop the whole way there. La Machina! Show off! Show off! Show off! Woo! Sweet. Nice and calm, anyway.
That's it?
No, keep paddling there, don't worry. Nice and calm, buddy. Oh, the white capping. Uh-oh. Oh, we're moving slow now. Hey. I'm telling you, this is a valley. Remember that. We're gonna be swimming through a valley. You want to see that? Go with the waves. Okay? Just don't tilt your body at all. Don't tilt. Just relax. Don't worry. Just calm down. Okay, we're turning. Okay, everyone go right. Let's get a nice turn. The wind's gonna smash us. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah.
It's leveled.
Let's walk around a little bit. Let's see what we got. No mosquitoes so far.
So far.
This is a nice spot too.
This is nice, man.
This is a nice spot, even in between these logs, son.
Yeah, it's really yeah, in between these, it'll cover the draft, no?
It'll cover a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of open areas here.
Yeah.
Yeah, here or there. This is a little bit bigger, but it doesn't need to be big.
Yeah. You know?
Because I want to put that tarp that I have, I want to put it down as a base, and then I want to put the tent over it. Because it'll help with the moisture and keep it warmer, no?
Yeah. It's like a family. Cool. It's been a cloudy day all day, man. It's literally been like this, look, all day, just cold in June, like fall. The current's been terrible, so we've been stuck here. And now we're gonna get some sausages ready, make a nice big fire, yeah, and get ready for tomorrow, eh? Let's go. Nothing really happened last night, no fish, just a bunch of little ones. Time to go to Crow Lake. It's about 5 kilometers away. Water's a little cacat, but we should be fine. That's it. On to the next campsite. Let's do it. Down the River of Doom. Row, row, row your boat. Rowing a fridge. Shoulders are 50 inches wide. Holy shit. No, Mike, don't do that.
Yeah, there's a log right here.
Holy.
I'm pushing up.
It smells like fish. That's right. There we go. So now we're straight. So now think about it. Now we gotta just be calm and straight. There you go. We'll get wheezed and frustrated really bad here, even though this might be good. The problem with this is if there's fish in here, the moment you cast that bait, like you don't have any top water, the moment you cast that bait, you're gonna catch a weed and the fish won't even see your lure. You know? Across the lake we go.
Oh my god!
This is a good spot.
You fish right
You can't camp there. Look at it. You can't camp there, man. Holy macaroni. Oh, look at this right side. Give him some space. Crazy. Hey, Moose. That is once in a lifetime. Simon's got to push out here. Got to a really nice spot. I'm going to show you right now. Watch. Look how nice it is. It's windy though. Got little tables. Put our stuff, boil our water. A little bench right there. Our fire pit. And all that. We're like, I don't know now we're like 25 kilometers maybe away from our truck, so we're really deep inside, but it's quiet here. There's nobody here. It's a weird view, but the plan is to catch some fish tonight, cook it for dinner, throw some butter, garlic, make a nice little campfire dinner. That's the best view right now. So we're gonna set up camp and go fishing. Let's get to it.
You're gonna flip it? You're fine.
These mosquitoes are getting nuts right now. It came out of nowhere. It's like 16 degrees now, but they weren't there all morning, but now they're destroying us, so now I have this stupid thing on. So right now we're just setting up the tents, being attacked by mosquitoes, and then we're gonna head out on the canoe if it calms down and catch a nice trout for dinner so we can save some food. That's the plan. We'll see what happens.